Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create playlist on YouTube channel. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to youtube.com. Make sure you're signed in to your YouTube account. This will allow you to create and save playlists under your channel. Then go to any video you want to include in your playlist. It can be your own upload or another creator's video. Below the video, click the save button. It's look like a little list icon. Then a small menu will appear. Click create new playlist. Now open the playlist name like my tutorials or music mix. Then choose your privacy setting, public, unlisted, or private. Click create. To view it, click on profile icon, then YouTube channel, then playlist tab. From here, you can add more videos, change the order, or edit the title and description. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.